Okay, so there still might be some of you out there who don't know the difference between rows and columns. So let's take a look at that first. So the A, B, C, D, looking from the top down, those are your columns. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 along the left-hand side are your rows. Now let's say I want to add a row here by number 5. So I'm going to go to Insert and Rows, and I can insert a row above number 5 or below number 5. Okay, that's pretty cool. What about columns? So if I click on a column, I can insert one column to the left or one column to the right. Okay, that's pretty cool. But what if I wanted to do more than one row or column at a time? Can I do that? And the answer is yes, you can. So I'm going to highlight these 2 rows, and I'm going to go to columns, and I'm going to insert 2 columns because I highlighted 2 columns. Really? That's how that works? Let's see about 3. Okay, let's go to Insert. And yes, 3, because I highlighted 3. So the number that you highlight is the number of columns or rows that you are going to get. Let's just check it one more time. Let's do a row. We're going to do like 4 rows here. So we're going to go rows. You're going to have 4 rows above or 4 rows below. That is really nice. I like that. Thanks for watching. And if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.